improving your video. The best way to improve your video is to improve your internet connection and clean your lens before the live stream. Assuming you already tried that, the second best method is to get a gimbal for your smartphone. Gimbals are super affordable these days, starting at around $100 US. The latest versions usually cost around $150, and they do an amazing job at keeping your image steady. You can add a gimbal on top of your tripod for the ultimate mobility setup. It replaces a smartphone mount and it connects directly to it. As you can see, it's very unobtrusive, affordable, and easy to use. If you like moving around during your live streams, a gimbal is a must-have in every live streamer's kit. The movement will look really smooth and the overall live stream looks a lot more professional.